What, dump me under the trees?
I saw that.
That's scary because you don't have control.
Whoa! 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 Saddle?
Shadow.
That way, girl. Oh.
She's pretty.
She is.
Fat man, she needs to be ridden.
How long has it been?
Hmm?
How long has it been?
Her?
Yep.
2 years.
Wow.